Good morning, my dear friends. Today, let us continue the exercise 1.3, third main. This third main contains 11 sums. Okay, now given a equals to 5, d equals to 3, n equals to 50, find n and sn. We have to find n and sn. Then utilize the given statements, that is a equals to 5, d equals to 3, n equals to 50, find n and sn. Now an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A50 equals to a5 plus 50 minus 1 into d3. d3. Okay, now that is n minus 1 into 3. 50 equals to 5 plus 3 into n, 3n, that is 3 1 the 3. Now 50 equals to 5 minus 3, that is 2, plus 3n. 50 minus 2 equals to 3n, that is 48 equals to 3n. n equals to 48 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 6 are. n equals to 16. Then we got question 1, that is n. Then Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket a plus an. Why I have written this formula instead of n by 2 in the bracket to a plus n minus 1 into d? Because the last term is given an. So we have to utilize that given value, that is n by 2, n 16, a 5 plus an 50. So 2 ones are 2 8s are 8 into 50 plus 5, 55. Okay, 8 5s are 40, carry 4. 8 5s are 40 plus 4, 44. That is S16. Alright, now second one, a equals to 7, a3 equals to 35, find d and s13. Okay, a3 equals to 35, equals to 35. Given, see, meaning of a13, a plus 12d equals to 35. A they have given 7 plus 12d equals to 35. 12d equals to 35 minus 7. 12d equals to 35 minus 7. Then 35 minus 7. 28. Therefore, d equals to 28 divided by 12. 4 7s are 4 3s are. D equals to 7 by 3. D equals to 7 by 3. Then S13. Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket a plus an. N they have given how much? A 13, a that is 7 plus an 35. 13 by 2 into 7 plus 35 42. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are. Then 13 ones are 13 carry 1. 13 twos are 26 plus 1 27. 273. That is SN. Or yes 13 to 70. See, first we have A13 is given equals to 35. A13 equals to 25. We have considered. We have written the meaning of A13. A13 means A plus 12D equals to 35. Next, we have substituted the values. That is 12D equals to 28. D equals to 28 by 12. 4 3s are 4 7s are. D equals to 7 by 3 we got. Then after getting the D, we have to find the Sn. That Sn equals to n by 2 a plus an, because last term is given here. A13 is 35. So we have substituted the values, then simplified, then Sn equals to 270. Okay, write down. Now let us move to the 273. The third one, A12 equals to 37, D equals to 3, A equals to question mark, find A and yes 12. Yes 12. See solution 3. A12 equals to 37 given. Okay, write the meaning of A12. A plus 11D equals to 37. Then A plus 11 into D they have given. Substitute that one. 37. A plus 33 equals to 37. A equals to 37 minus 33. A equals to 4. Then after getting A, value of A, then find S12. That is Sn equals to n by 2 in the bracket A plus an, because last term is given. N is 12. A we got just now 4 plus an 37. 12 by 2 into 2 ones are 2 6. Yes, 12. 246. Write down. See, in an AP, given A3 equals to 15. A3 whole solution. A3 equals to 15. Given. Then meaning of A3, A plus 2B equals to 15. See this as equation 1. Then S10 equals to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d is Sn 125 n by 2 2a n minus 1 into d 125 2 ones are 2 5s are 125 divided by 5 equals to 2a plus 9. 5 2s are 5 5s are a plus 9b equals to 25. Say this as equation 2. Then solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. A plus 2b. Then 2a plus 9b equals to 25. Then let us equate this one. 2 into 1. 2a plus 2 2s are 4d equals to 30. Then 2a plus 9b equals to 25 on the 25. By subtracting 2a gets cancelled. Then minus 5d equals to plus 5. Therefore, d equals to 5 minus 5. D equals to minus 1. D equals to minus 1. We need to find the D and A10 put D equals to minus 1 in 1. That is A plus 2D equals to 15. A plus 2 into minus 1 is to 15. A minus 2 equals to 15. A equals to 15 plus 2. That is A equals to 17. A equals to 17. Then A10 equals to A plus 9B. A17 plus 9 into minus 1. 17 minus 9, that is A10 equals to 7. Write down. See, this type problems are carrying 3 marks question. So carefully observe this solution. Given A3 is 15, what I did? A3 15, I wrote the meaning of this statement. A3 means A plus 2D 15. This is equation number 1. Then Sn is S10 is given. So Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So I have substituted the values. Sn 125 they have given. N 10, that means n 10. 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. Okay, 125 equals to 5 in the bracket 2a 10 minus 1 means 9. 9 into d 90. This is coefficient of this term. So while we transpose it divides. So 125 divided by 5. That is 5 ones are 5 125 are 25 equals to 2a plus 90. Therefore 2a plus 90 equals to 25. Equation number 2. Then solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. I have written that a plus 2d equals to 15 or 2a plus 90 equals to 25 into 1. That is 25. So I have multiplied by 2 from the first to the first equation because to tally the equation. So 2a plus 4d equals to 30. 2a plus 90 equals to 25. Then by using elimination method, we have subtracted the terms, that is plus 4 or minus 9, that is minus 5d, minus 25 plus 30, that is plus 5. So d equals to 5 divided by minus 5, d equals to minus 1. After getting the d equals to minus 1, we substituted the value of d equals to minus 1 in any of equation. We have substituted equation 1, that is a equals to 15 plus 2a is equal to 17 we got. Then we need a10, a plus 90. 17 plus 9 into d means minus 1. 17 minus 9, 8. Therefore a10 equals to 8. Okay? Try to solve such problems. This one fifth, d equals to 5, s9 equals to 75, find d and a9. Now s9 equals to 75, which means n equals to 9. So sn equals to n by 2 in the big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn they have given 75, that is n by 2, 2a plus 9 minus 1 into d they have given 5. 75 equals to 9 by 2a plus 9 minus 1, 8 into 5. 75 into 2 by 9. This is the coefficient of this term. So when it is transposed, this becomes reverse, that is reciprocal. 9 2 by 9 equals to 2a plus 8 5s are 40. Then 150 by 9 minus 40 equals to 2a. So LCM 9 1 9s are 9 1s are 1 9s are 150 minus 360 equals to 2a. Therefore minus 210 by 9 equals to 2a. Therefore minus 210 by 9 into 2 equals to a. 3 3s are 3 7s are 70s are 2 1s are 2 35s are. That is minus 35 by 3. That is equals to a. Just I have shown you how to cancel the term, so clearly I will write this one. A. Cancellation. 3 3s are 3 7s are 2 1s are 2 35s are. That is minus 35 by 8. Put a equal to minus 35 by 8. What they have asked for? A, find a. Then a9 equals to a plus 8b. A minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into b. How much? 5 minus 35 by 3 plus 40. LCM 3. 3 1s are 1 3s are minus 35 plus 120. 120 35. That is 85 by 3. A9 equals to 85 by 3. Write down. See, here we have calculated Sn because S9 is given. After calculating the Sn equals to 75, n equals to 9, after calculating this one, that the A, how much? Minus 35 by 3, we have substituted the value of A in A9. That is A9, meaning I have written A plus A3. That is, you can write, therefore A9 equals to 85 by 3. A9 equals to 85 by 3. Okay. Today is the mathematics test for you at 12 o'clock. So everyone you have to write. That is the monthly test of that June month. So you must have to attend. At 2 o'clock you have to submit the papers through my WhatsApp number. through the mobile to the my WhatsApp number. So everyone you should have to attend. After 2 days, physically we collect your papers. After 2 days, yes, after 2 days we physically we collect your papers at one place. We will inform later on. Okay, thank you. All the best for the test. Write down everything.